Today we're going to be discussing Shiba Inu Coin and why you should be investing a ton into it right now. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach. Welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu Coin you have, how many you want to have, and also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. Now, if you guys have not already, go ahead and get your free stock from Public with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 and you're going to get up to $300 of the free stock. I personally have got $300 worth of free stock of Amazon just a couple weeks ago. If you guys want to try that out for yourself, go ahead and use the first link in the description. Deposit just $1. Also, go ahead and get signed up to our private Discord through Patreon with the second link in the description. This is going to give you one-on-one interactions with both me and Kyle, daily crypto alerts, buy alerts when we're buying, and also first looks into new cryptos we're looking into. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, go ahead and use the second link in the description. But anyways, this is going to be about Shiba Inu Coin today. Today we are down about 0.10%. We have been kind of just bouncing back and forth between being in the green, being in the red. But overall, the price action hasn't been too bad, and we're still trading between our two resistance and support lines we have set out for ourselves in the previous videos I just put out. But anyways, we're going to be talking about that technical analysis at the end of the video. We're also going to be going over a few different pieces of news that you guys need to know. So if you guys want to hear all that, go ahead and stick around till the end of the video. But first, I'm going to start out here on Twitter. So if you guys do not know, we do have a Twitter here. We're trying to get to 1,000 followers by the end of February. You guys have been killing it with the support following us on there. But yeah, make sure you guys follow us on Twitter at It's Finance Bro. Trying to get to 1,000 followers. We post crypto and crypto and Shiba Inu Coin news. So if you guys want to get all that, go ahead and stick around till the end of the video. A thing I also want to bring up right now is the Fed minutes. So if you guys don't know, the Fed minutes were released today. Meet Kevin is someone who did obviously sell a lot of his different stocks and has been in the news recently for kind of being short on the market. I don't know if he's short or if he's just not investing. However, I know he has had positions on SQQ, which is basically a shorting the market type of stock. But anyways, he said, "Real Meet Kevin, I'm physically in tears right now because the Fed minutes were a complete nothing burger. I couldn't find any bad news, which I thrive on. I really want the market to crash because I want millions to lose their jobs, companies to go bankrupt, sales to decline, and 100% short." Now, obviously, this is him being facetious. He's not actually in tears that the market isn't doing well, and that there is some news that came out in that some news that was bad that came out in that Fed meeting, and obviously if you guys want to hear his take on it, go to his. But the Fed minutes were not bad, which kind of a lot of people expected them to be, but most likely there will be rate hikes in March, which will lead to some pain in the market then. But basically in this Federal Reserve meeting minutes, they basically said, hey, it's not too bad, we're okay right for now. So that's why the market has kind of been going up, and that's why I thought it was relevant to bring this up in this video. Is basically the market isn't doing too bad, or is doing pretty okay, because the Fed minutes were not a disaster like some people thought they might be. But anyways, let's move on to some Shiba Inu Coin news. So Shiba Inu trading commences on this popular exchange in earnest details. So basically here in a recent update, Foxbit, one of Brazil's largest exchanges, announced the debut of Shiba Inu on its platform alongside 4 other crypto assets, with Gala, Phantom, LooksRare, and Illuvium. I don't know if I said that right. But basically, they did list Shiba Inu Coin. The tweet roughly translates to, "Is the troops ready? It's tomorrow, Shiba Inu and 4 new crypto assets coming hard at Foxbit to diversify your portfolio. Hold the anxiety. Shib, Gala, FTM, Looks, and ILV are coming." The Sao Paulo-based trading platform, which was founded in 2014, now has over 950,000 registered customers, making it one of the region's oldest crypto exchanges. The Shiba Inu Coin will be available on Foxbit, the second Brazilian exchange to do so. Shiba Inu was added first to Mercado Bitcoin, Brazil's largest exchange, in December. So why this matters? Basically, this matters because Shiba Inu Coin getting listed on different exchanges, especially in places where they don't really have too much access to actually buying Shiba Inu Coin, is really good for Shib and the price of Shib, just because that means more holders will be coming to it and more money will be able to be put into Shiba Inu Coin. So this is really awesome. Also, 432 million Shib were burned in the past 24 hours. It's been a ton of different transactions, but yeah, so basically a ton being burned. We got listed on Foxbit. Some good news there. Also, Shiba Inu claims 5th position on CoinDesk ranking based on volume and on trusted exchanges. So Shiba Inu, the hottest meme token in the market, made the list of top 20 cryptocurrencies by trading volume on trusted crypto exchanges in the 3rd and 4th quarters of 2021. So you can see here in terms of 20 assets volume by trusted exchanges, Shiba Inu was number 5 behind only Solana, Tether, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. So the amount of volume that was being traded in Shiba Inu was top 5, and that is super awesome to see, just because the more money we have being transacted is the more money that could be pumping up the price of Shiba Inu coin, and that's super awesome to see. Glad to see that. But yeah, I mean, they go on to talk about some different things on why Shib is popular, but we already know why Shib is popular. It's just a great coin. But anyways, now let's go over the global crypto market. We are sitting at about a $1.99 trillion global crypto market. That's actually an increase 0.68%, and you can see we have had a bit of a bounce back here in the last couple of hours just after the Fed meetings minutes were released, and now Shiba Inu coin is sitting in the 14th spot. We are firmly above Matic and Crypto.com, sitting at about a $17 billion market cap, and the volume is 1.3 billion, so we're staying above that billion range, which is where we want to be above. I don't want to see us dip into the hundreds of millions. I would like to see us stay above that 1.3 billion. So that is really great to see. If you check the historical data, you can see that volume for the past couple of days, or actually past week and a half, has been above a billion. Before that, we didn't even get above a billion for like a pretty good while there, but now we have been above a billion. Hopefully we stick that out. But anyways, let's go over the technical analysis. We can see here we are trading between this resistance line at the 3250 and then the support line at the 28. We have multiple instances of touching the 28 and bouncing back off it, so I think that's a pretty strong support at this point. And then resistance, we have 1, 2, 3 touches of the resistance. This one obviously wasn't as close, but we did try to get a cup and handle going here. Didn't. Obviously we broke it. We have been seeing some lower highs and lower lows. However, we have seen some actual bullish movement in the past couple of hours here. You can see that the MACD is now trending up and the RSI is only at 54. So we could test this resistance at the 3250. That's probably the most amount of gains we can get in the next day or so. But we could test this resistance at the 3250, especially with this upswing on the MACD. But yeah, that's pretty much all I see there. Make sure you guys get your free stock from Public with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1. You get up to $300 worth of free stock. Use that first link in the description, deposit $1, and also get signed up to our private Discord to get our buy and sell alerts, as well as first looks into new cryptos we're looking into with that second link in the description. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe. That's pretty much going to be it for this video. My name is Zach. Hope to see you in the next one.